How to buy Marsh coin token. So this token came under the symbol of Marsh. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, you can check their Telegram channel too. They include it on their X account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener to be able to buy this token. But before that, as you can see, this token is trending number 7 in Solana section on the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana. So we're going to open a function wallet for that and make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. But before that, click on swap and click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Now type how much you want to buy of that token. So as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here. Now click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Marsh token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.